Then let's have a paragraph tag here, which is defined with P, and we can just have some like demo paragraph data here. Just like lorem and click enter, and there you have your fake paragraph. Let's see it on the browser. Here is the paragraph that we have written. Okay, so we can also have image here, which is known as img tag. Okay, so this image tag, when you're loading an image, you have to give a source of this image, which is defined as src. Yeah. So for now, in our directory, we have downloaded 2 different images. So I'm gonna load them in our website. You will have suggestions there. So this one, now let's see. Yeah, you have it on your website. For the images, you can also set the height and width of this image. Just write GHT height. We are going to give height of like 50 pixel. Let's see. See, it's got really small. If we give the height of only the height of any picture, it will take the width as the ratio of the original ratio of the picture. Like if we increase the height, it also will increase the width as the ratio of the picture. But if we give the width as well, it will take that. Like if we give height as 100 pixel and give it width as 50 pixel, then it's gonna size as well. See, like this one. If we give it like 100 pixel, it's gonna change its width. See, so for now I'm just gonna leave the width like it is as the ratio. Yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the image. Okay, so now let's write an HTML link with our page. So HTML links have the tag a tag. Okay, so it has the starting tag, ending tag, and let's give a content of this link tag and give the URL, which will go under the href attribute. Now let's give the URL of the Google here. Now let's go to the web page and refresh. There you can see the Google. If you click on that, it will take us to the web page of Google. So one more very important thing is HTML. In HTML is what is HTML element and what are HTML attributes. So HTML element is defined by the start tag, some content, and the ending tag. So there you can see the h1 as a start tag, and this is the content of the header element, and this is the ending tag of the header element. Same goes for this paragraph tag. This is the start tag for this paragraph. This one is the whole content, and this is the ending element. Now what is the attribute of an HTML? So here you can see in the image tag we have write the src to write the source of this image. So this is an attribute, and this height thing is also an attribute. So attribute is actually provides the additional information of an HTML element. So different HTML elements have different types of attributes for them. We can also give various styles to our HTML elements. So here, if we want to make this header tag, like we want to make this like blue, so we have to write the attribute called style here. Then you have to give, like, as we want to change the text color, we will give the color. Color will be blue. Okay, so now let's see what we have here. See, The whole thing is blue. Now let's make the p tag as red. See, this p tag is red. We can also change the background color and other many styles. We can do many styles with them. So we will learn about them later, and we will learn about them in details when we will learn about CSS. So for now, that's pretty much it for the style part.